Hi, welcome to Yee's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a very simple but delicious Asian cabbage salad. Let's get started. Okay, we are going to start out by making the sauce, and for the sauce we will need 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm going to use avocado oil, so 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you want this to be a little sweeter, you feel free to add more sugar. And then we need 2 tablespoons of water, one teaspoon of soy sauce, and then salt and pepper to taste. Stir up the sauce until the sugar and salt dissolves and it's all mixed well. Okay, so we have 2 cups of cabbage here, and then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of chopped green onion, 1 tablespoon of chopped almond, and then we're going to continue to just stir our sauce a little bit here to get everything mixed together, and then you can pour in the sauce. We will stir up the salad. And then allow time for it to sit and for all the ingredients to infuse together, and then you can serve it. Don't forget to subscribe for future quick and easy recipes. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!